Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming the GPU requires a 12-pin plug and whether the PSU supplies it natively. Once done, verify available cables, native 12-pin, 2x6-pin breakout, or included adapter. Make sure to power off and unplug the system, then ground yourself to prevent ESD. Static can fry components. Next, position the case for easy access and remove the side panel. You want clear visibility of the PCIe slot and cable routes before attempting any connection. You now route the cable behind the motherboard tray to reduce strain and keep airflow unobstructed. Once the cable is positioned, orient the 12-pin connector so the keyed tabs match the GPU socket. This prevents reversed insertion. Slowly bring the plug toward the GPU, applying even pressure. If using a dual 6-pin to 12-pin adapter, pair the cables as intended and ensure both are fully seated. Make sure to leave a bit of slack and fasten with ties so the cable won't tug on the connector. You should firmly seat the 12-pin connector until you hear or feel the latch click and visually confirm the pins are flush. Once connected, restore power and boot the system. Check GPU power LEDs and the BIOS or OS for device detection and stable voltages. If the card does not power down immediately, reseat the connector, and try a different PSU cable or the manufacturer adapter. If problems persist, test the GPU in a minimal system to isolate PSU versus GPU faults.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.